I'm Kayla Patton. I'm a pediatric nurse practitioner in ENT at MU Healthcare. The best part about the job is every day is a new day and seeing new people and new experiences and new diagnosis and just continued learning. One of my greatest strengths is listening. I like to listen and hear the story and try to put the pieces together and feel like they can be heard with me. I always use the effective steps of collaborating with the families, of listening to them, making sure that they know that their voice is heard, try to reiterate what they spoke to me or told me. Sometimes we do a drawing. Sometimes we are able to pull like the microscope and show them the inside of the ear. Sometimes if we're doing like a scope, we will actually let them see it on the screen and then talk them through what we are doing and seeing in the office. Outside of work, I spend most of my time with my boys. Pretty much can catch me all summer at a ball game, whether that be for them or at a professional ball game as well. To continue my learning, I like to attend meetings and conferences at least once a year. I try to keep up to date on the newest guidelines, so you may catch me at a ball game reading or looking at my phone to see a new interesting article or something. But I'm always just trying to learn and stay up to date. I believe everyone should have come to MU Healthcare for a patient-centered care, and this is a wonderful children's hospital that we have here with many excellent specialty providers.